Hello everyone. I'm on the nature call. Switching it up a little bit. My energy was a little off, and it's nothing like getting in touch with nature. I'm at one of the metro parks near my home, and it's lovely. Not too hot, perfect temperature. Just wanted to share what nature does to a person. It opens up your mind so things and information can flow through you. It grounds you with simple things in life like breathing in fresh air, enjoying the trees, birds, locusts, and all the other creatures that the Lord have created. Sometimes you just have to get back to the basics. Get away from the rat race, the negative news, propaganda, who's doing what to who, and just get with the Lord and nature itself. Just listen. Be still and listen. That's all I have for now as I take in the rest of my nature call. Until the next time we meet and greet, peace, and take time out to enjoy what the Lord has made for us. Bye-bye.